This is Chris from fxstrategy.com taking a look at the upcoming September 24th Forex session. In front of you is the cable or the pound-dollar pair. And as you can see, we originally had a pretty positive session going on Friday, but turned back around and sold off in order to form a shooting star in this pair, following two hammers. The 1.63 level seemed to be a bit much, but quite frankly, this pair has risen so much it really needs a pullback. We think that if we can fall, we should find buyers somewhere around 160, if not above there. Any fall in this pair, we think at this point in time, simply becomes a buying opportunity, and that's what we're hoping for. We would buy a break at the top of the shooting star, but truthfully, the lower prices we can get, the better off we are in the long run, obviously, and that is what we hope to see. 1.60 we think is going to be too much for the sellers to overcome. Looking at the pound versus the euro and the euro pound pair, you can see that we fell to the 0.80, a very significant place in this market. Found a little bit of support just underneath there, and we ended up forming a hammer for the session on Friday. Looks like the euro will gain on the pound if we break a little higher, but there is quite a bit of resistance at the 0.81 level, so this may just simply be a return to a fairly tight consolidation area, which isn't uncommon for this pair, as it tends to have a very tight average true range. Looking forward, though, a break below that we think gets the sellers involved, and of course a break below 79 really 0.79 really starts pushing things to the downside. We would expect, however, that we're going to stay up in this area for a while, creating short-term small movement type of trades in this market. Not necessarily scalps. This pair is difficult to scalp because it moves so slowly sometimes, but short little swing trades for 30, 40 pips or whatever at a time. That might be the route that we have to end up going. For fxstrategy.com, this has been a look at the upcoming September 24th Forex session in the pound dollar and euro pound pairs.